fantastic initiative. It's not an easy sport to play. Underarm cricket is something which is new, but it's really catching on well. I think the more teams come in, the more people have the awareness of something like this, the more it spreads between outside of Bandra also. I think it'll be really good because we already have something called T20 cricket. We have now T10, and now we have the underarm cricket, and I think it's definitely a way forward in the future. No, of course it does. See, you have to understand whichever format you play. If it is, the more shorter it is, the more better it is. And also, when you confine people in a certain space, then it becomes easier because you don't have to travel too far to get the ball. And also, like, this is the kind of sport youngsters will definitely take to, because one, you are, I think it's a great opportunity for people in Bandra to come forward and be here, because not many places have this kind of turf. So yeah, it's something where you can play in the evenings, on holidays, even in the mornings if you have an hour or two spare. That's why I think it's so well fitted in as far as time is concerned. I see no reason why it should not do well.
Yeah, of course. First of all, I thank Angad to come here, and I am very thankful of Tanuj that to inviting Angad here. Angad, I think he's excited. Next year he should be part of DPL. And yes, this is, as he said that this is a game for youth. And Angad, believe me, the players who are playing here, some players are really, this is their bread and butter. They really earn from this. If you go to the depth of this, they really earn from here. So this is what I had decided from past, when I started DPL. I said I will create a platform where I can give these players, image in the world. This is going live on D Sports, and it is being seen in 3 countries. So this is what what I did for them, and they're so happy. It's really amazing. They're looking forward to this next season also.
See, actually the thing is, because we shoot a lot together for Inside Edge, usually on the same team. So he's seen this side of me. He's seen the animated me, the aggressive me. As we were laughing about it earlier, even I don't know where the acting ends and the real me starts. So he's seen a lot of that. The only difference is today he's seeing he just missed the match, but he's seeing a very different side of it because of his father and because of of his history and his background in cricket. He's played a lot of overarm cricket. He's played professionally and all. So to see an advent of a sub-genre of the sport, and which Wasif Bhai is trying to take to the next level, which inshallah he very successfully will be able to. I think it's amazing, right? And it's given bread and butter to so many people. It's given a platform on a national level, because this is being telecast live all over India. For people to come out, they express themselves, and maybe some guys are not suited for overarm style of cricket, but they are absolutely phenomenal here. They're unplayable here. They have terrific skill. And I think this is just the beginning. I told Wasif Bhai the last time as well that, when something big is being built, you don't want to get into the penthouse. You want to get into the ground floor. And
That's such a nice way to say it.
And I'm really glad that he invited me to be a part of this from the ground up and stuff. And hopefully in the years to come, as Angad said, you never know, we might just have this going on a global scale. Might have an Indian underarm team representing India all over the world, and make this sport, make this sub-genre of a sport popular, not just within the city of Bandra, but all over the world, because sky's the limit when you have a good idea.
I'm very, very fortunate that they invited me, and I'm very thankful to Mr. Wasim, who's doing a great, he's taken a very great initiative of helping the cancer thingy, and he's raising the funds for them, and also giving so much of bread and butter to this young youth, and it's a very great cause. cricket and me is not my personality. Unfortunately, I'm the wrong candidate for here. But you know, anything related to the charity, I enjoy them because I also run a charity firm which is called for the small kids. You know, we do it for CCDD, and I really wish all the best. And any future, if I can be anything useful to you, sir, I'm just a call away. And keep on doing good work, keep on rocking, and I think so. It's a very. I met my friend Tanuj over here, which was very shocking, and because he was supposed to meet me yesterday, and he didn't tell me that he's playing for one of the team.
No, he himself has a team.
Oh, he himself has a team. Okay, so he was like a shocker, and yes, I wish Mr. Wasim sir all the best.
कुछ नया देखने को मिला. सबसे पहली बात तो एक गली लीग आप देखेगा इंडिया. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस लीग एंड लोगों को काफ़ी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिल रही है. और सबसे अच्छी बात इस लीग की है कि यार कैंसर से एक पेशेंट्स के लिए जो कुछ है एंड चैरिटी है, सबसे बड़ी बात ये होती है. एंड आई विश हिम ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द फ्यूचर ऑल्सो, कि भगवान करे इनकी सारी मुरादें पूरी हो. और इस तरह से एक लीग आज कराई है, इससे बड़ी बड़ी लीग है. आज 3 कंट्रीज़ इस लीग को देख रही है. मैं चाहता हूँ कि पूरा वर्ल्ड देखे एक टाइम पे. एंड भगवान करे कि और तरक्की करते जाए और चैरिटी के नाम पे जितना भी है, जितने भी ये कैंसर पेशेंट्स हैं अभी, इनके लिए और आगे अच्छी जगहों पे अच्छे लोगों के लिए और पेशेंट्स के लिए कुछ करते रहें. तो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग, बेस्ट पार्ट, एंड आई लव इट. आई लव BPL.
Yeah, Parul, we've already in the halfway of the league, and the success the league has taken, I'm really delighted to see that, and I'm getting calls and on my social media and emails that all over India, whoever is watching this from small states like from states like Bihar, from Cochin, from Chennai, from Tamil Nadu, people are messaging me like we want to take part in this. What is the procedure? We want to play in this. So this is really exciting. Next season we are making it something very more different. We're going state. We'll be involving state name and state teams. So it's really exciting to have Bollywood connected to cricket, and next season I may see a couple of more Bollywood people associated with my league, and hope so this goes a big milestone.
डेफिनेटली खेल लूँगा मैं. क्रिकेट बॉलिंग भी कर लूँगा. ओके, डिपेंड्स कि सामने वाला जो हो इतना स्ट्रांग नहीं होना चाहिए. बिकॉज मैंने BCL खेला है. 1 सीजन आई हैव वॉन द BCL. और आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, जब मैंने पहला बॉल में उन्होंने मेरे को बैटिंग दी थी, मैंने 2 छक्के मारे थे और लोग, इट वॉज अ शॉकर फॉर देम. उसके बाद मैं आउट हो गया. सो लाइक ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अनदर एक्सपीरियंस. बट लिविंग ऑल दिस स्टोरी एट द साइड, मिस्टर वसीम, आई रियली विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. बिकॉज आपकी वजह से इतने लोगों का घर चल रहा है, इतने लोग आपको दुआएं दे रहे हैं. और जो आपने कैंसर का एक इनिशिएटिव उठाया है, उनका रेस करने का फंड, आई थिंक यू आर डूइंग अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब. बिकॉज मैं दिल्ली कुछ और फैशन वीक का ग्रैंड फिनाले कर रहा हूँ, और जो कैंसर के पेशेंट्स के ऊपर पूरा शो है. सो आई रियली विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. ऐसे आप लॉट ऑफ लोगों की दुआएं लेते रहें और अच्छा काम करते रहें.